Guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a cyber block. Yeah, in Dutch they call it cyber block. In English, tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Japanese, Suguru. Well, this puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 9th, 2022. I've already solved 3 puzzles in this additional. The additional, yeah, with 7 puzzles, but I won't do them all, only 4 puzzles I will do. I've already done the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the tectonic. Cyber block, yes, cyber block. Well. Okay. Before, wait. This will be number double 51. Wow, 5151. Double 51. What a number, double 51. And before I start, I always count with printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Well, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, that's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1, or boxes. I see here single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? That's the question. Dual boxes. Let me check. Dual box. Where are you? No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I do not know in which order, so I cannot fill those numbers yet. But the inside box, this is the box near the middle box. The inside box is always 4 or a 5. Triple box. Then quadra box. I see here 1 quadra box in an L shape. When you see the quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, yeah, is always a 5. The inside box is always a 5. Okay. And these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. More quadra boxes here? No. Then the following step, it's the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, we have here, let me draw this shape, or this shape. Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. The S construction. S. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Here also the S rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. And that box has the same number as this box. Yeah. In this case, it's a 2. Alright. More S or Z construction? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Well. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. About this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another 1, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More. No. No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see this kind of shape, the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes. We have here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes or figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. Yeah, I believe the T shape is missing here. Anyway, the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those 2 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes are going to be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 5 there, because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here. So not the solution to place the 5 there. The 5 supposed to be here. Okay, I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be a 4, it's in the same area. Can be a 5, yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 1. Let me mark those 3 and 1, 3 and 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 1. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3 and is connected with that box. Should be also 3. Is connected with this box with also a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. Okay. This box can be a 2. This box can also not be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this S construction or the Z construction for the number 5. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3. Okay. Then these 2 boxes. Oh no. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then, let me see. Yeah. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box, wait, can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes, so this box should be definitely a 4 and that box should be a 1. Now let me see first. Overlook this one. We already have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. Then 2 numbers. No. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 4. Then these two boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. That means that those two boxes can be a 4, but also these two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 and the 3, I've marked those. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. So this box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 4. I've marked these boxes with 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this S construction for the numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, I've also double 4, cannot be a 4 anymore because we have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5. That means that this box can be 1 or a 5 because we have a double 1 here and double 5 there. The 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 5. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there, and here we have also a double 5. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. So the final two numbers in this area, in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars. Can it be a 3 stars? Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.